How to add or remove sound amplifier to app list on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on installed app. Now here, so for example, you will see this is sound amplifier, so click on sound amplifier. So after click on sound amplifier, so click on open sound notifications. So after click on open sound amplifier, so click on this settings icon. So after click on this settings icon, you will see show icon in the app list is here. So if you want to add sound amplifier to app list, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see sound amplifier to app list is add. So if you want to remove sound amplifier to app list, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see sound amplifier remove from app list. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or remove sound amplifier to app list on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.